Alright, so on the board, the question says an element has atomic number of 16 and we are being asked I, what is the name of this element? First off, you must know your first 20 elements, and by now you should have known it offhand. If you still do not know your first 20 elements and you are still struggling with it, go back to my previous video where I explained the first 20 elements, where I did a song about it, so I'll be able to memorize it. But anyway, element with the atomic number of 16 is what? Sulfur. So, the answer to I is sulfur, and sulfur is represented by capital letter S, and the atomic number is 16. So I'll solve for that of I. The second one is what? State the group and period of the elements. For us to state the group, we have to draw the electronic configuration, and then the first shell takes 2, second one will take 8. So we are going to 16. 16 minus 10 will give us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So this element belongs to what? We have 2, 10, 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6. So this element belongs to the group 6, because the outer electron, the electron at the outermost shell determines the group. Now the period is the number of shell. So let's count. The first shell takes 2, 1, 2, 3. So the period is period 3. So we're done with what? II. This is II. Then state the oxidation number of this element. The oxidation number of this element is what? We have 6 at the outermost shell. If we say 8 minus 6, it gives us what? 2. So therefore, this element, which is sulfur, has the oxidation number of -2, because it is accepting electron, and it is 2 electrons that it is accepting. So the oxidation number is what? -2. That is our answer. So I believe that is clear now.